नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम अभिषेक चौहान और आप सभी लोगों का स्वागत है। दोस्तों, इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे लियो के बारे में। यस, वी गोना टॉक अबाउट लियो, विजय तलापति's नेक्स्ट बिग रिलीज, जो कि दशहरा में रिलीज होने वाली है। और इसके हिंदी के बारे में हम बात करेंगे कि हिंदी का क्या है, क्या डिटेल्स हैं और अभी तक क्या पता चला है, व्हाट डू ऑल वी नो एंड एवरीथिंग अबाउट इट। सो इस वीडियो में उन सारी चीजों पे चर्चा होगी, तो पूरा वीडियो अंत तक जरूर देखिएगा। तलपति विजय needs no introduction. He's one of the biggest stars in this country right now. जो उनकी फिल्में, the kind of openings he takes in Tamil Nadu, globally, etc. It's just unparalleled. बहुत कम लोग हैं जो ये कर पाते हैं, and he's managed to carve out a huge place for himself in his respective area. So there is no doubts about that. हालांकि I personally feel that the producers of his films are not doing justice to his stature, and they're not encashing his films properly in the north, because I think he's very popular up here, and the kind of promotion, the kind of push his films need, they're just not happening. His films don't come with proper release plans, they don't come with anything actually. Posters भी बहुत late release होते थे, या फिर trailers बहुत late आते थे, गाने डब होके नहीं आते थे. We saw that in Master, we saw that in Varisu also. But hopefully यहाँ पे Leo में today we saw the Hindi poster with Sanjay Dutt and Talapati Vijay there in the posters, and which was a good signal. It was written in Hindi, so the intent is there. So now they have come up in say I think लगभग एक महीना है. There's about a month to go, and before a month they released the Hindi poster. So we are hoping that the songs at least, and then probably a Hindi trailer or a teaser comes with the Tamil, Telugu and etc. So the Hindi runs parallelly, and we have some kind of promotion up here to ensure that the whole film gets properly received by the North Indian audiences, and the North Indian audiences को भी ऐसा लगे कि भाई आप interested हैं मेरी viewership में. That is very important, that you just can't be very random to an audience कि अच्छा कर देते हैं, चलो एक लेट्स चेक बॉक्स को चेक कर दिया. दैट इज नॉट द वे इट शुड बी डन. इट शुड बी डन इन अ वेरी सिंसियर मैनर. ही इज अ ह्यूज स्टार, ही नीड्स अ पुश. व्हेन हिज फिल्म रिलीज देयर इज अ फ्रेंजी ऑनलाइन, एंड दैट ट्रांसलेट्स हियर. पीपल वांट टू वॉच हिज फिल्म्स. सो इफ यू रियली आर एबल टू प्रमोट हिज फिल्म्स, मैं आपको वरिसु बता दूं, वरिसु वाज रिसीव्ड वेरी वेल बाय आवर ऑडियंसेस, but they were very clueless कि what's the film about, ये पता नहीं चला. It wasn't very promoted. जो hardcore fans हैं, they definitely came and they saw the film, but the audience in general, whoever saw it, बोला, they said that the film is so nice and it is such a fantastic family film. We never knew about this film. So little bit of awareness needs to be created. But thankfully with Leo, that is probably not the case, because I think it is part of the LCU, Lokesh Cinematic Universe, and it is of probably there will be a connect to Vikram also, and Vikram did very well. Vikram held on very well. Vikram was received very well up in North, and it was a fantastic film. It broke records down south, and it did pretty decently in the Hindi version too. So people know that this is some connect is there. Today news travels. Sanjay Dutt's presence there as a villain and an all-out action film by Lokesh, and he makes such fantastic films. I just absolutely love Vikram. Vikram is one of my favorite films. Like loved it, and how. So I am, I've also learned and I've heard that this film is inspired, or they have also bought the remake rights of A History of Violence. And let me tell you something about A History of Violence. History of Violence is one of my favorite films of all times. It just blew me away when I first saw that film, and I just think that is one of the finest films, that rare raw action films, that gritty raw action films to come out, and I really enjoyed it. And I probably did not go with too much expectation. I don't know what to expect, but it was fantastic. The build up and everything, and the end where it just explodes, just too good. And if Leo is anything like that, and like a Desi version, like a Lokesh version of A History of Violence, rest assured we are in for a treat. अब बात करते हैं ना, without taking too much of your time, let's talk about the Hindi version. Hindi version की जो जितने भी rights हैं, they are owned by Goldmine. So Goldmine has all the rights. There is some confusion with whether it will release in the national multiplexes or not. There is no clarity as such in that because they follow an 8-week rule. And in Tamil Nadu, I think they have signed a 4-week digital release. Similarly, the way they had signed for Jailer. So I don't know what kind of a mid path will be reached here. And Jailer also did not get a national plex release, and it did pretty decently. It did around about 12 to 15 crore of Hindi business, which is pretty decent, which is not bad at all. So Leo might also take that route. It might bypass the multiplexes, it might or it just might reach some kind of conciliation there. So anyways, money Goldmines ke paas mein hai. Goldmine has a right, and Goldmine will distribute it the same way they distributed Pushpa. They'll give it to AA Films, and AA Films will distribute the film for the Hindi markets. So AA Films is no stranger. Everyone knows they have such a huge record, and they've done such blockbusters as Pushpa, Bahubali 2, and so they have a history of doing these big films. I think 2.0 was also with them. So they've done enough dubbed versions, and they know the market. Anil Thadani is a champion distributor. We deal with his office in Bihar. There's a fantastic folks in the Bihar office also. So there's no doubt. So we are looking forward to Leo. The Hindi markets are looking forward to Leo. The audiences are looking forward to Leo. So yes, Leo is a very exciting product for the Hindi market as well. And I just request from this video that the producers, if they are listening to me, that they need to really push this film hard. And if they push this film hard, and if they go all out and promote it properly, I think you will get very good results, and the results could surprise everyone, because Vikram was loved. It was loved on OTT platforms. Lokesh is a fantastic maker. Thalapathy Vijay needs no introduction. Sanjay Dutt is there. So you have everything. So the film should be pushed, and it will do very well in my opinion. तो इस वीडियो में इतना ही, यही अपडेट था आज का हिंदी वर्जन का. आई होप यू लाइक द वीडियो, और अगर लाइक किया है तो आप इसको मेरे चैनल को शेयर भी कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब भी कीजिए, और कोई क्वेश्चन है, सवाल है, कमेंट बॉक्स में डालिए. आई विल डेफिनेटली रिस्पॉन्ड टू दैट. थैंक यू.